This is the Scania S730, Europe's most luxurious, fuel-efficient truck. But in America, it's illegal. Today, we uncover why U.S. police are slapping ban notices on this dream machine, and who's really behind the crackdown. Speed Scouts. The Scania S730 is a driver's fantasy, spacious cabs, 14 mpg efficiency, and tech that shames American semis. But U.S. cops are impounding these trucks on sight. Let's break down the war between Scania and Uncle Sam. 1. The dream truck Europe loves. Scania S730 specs: 730 HP V8, 14 mpg fuel efficiency, WS trucks, and a Globetrotter cab with beds, fridges, and climate control. EU dominance. 1 in 5 European trucks is a Scania EDHL, and Amazon EU swear by its reliability. 2. US police crackdown. The real reasons: EPA emissions. Scania's Euro 6 engines fail U.S. NOx limits 0.2 G/km versus U0 4 G/km. Police enforce EPA fines up to $37,500 per truck. FMVSS violations. U.S. requires side underride guards and specific bumper heights. Scania's aerodynamics skip these, making it illegal. 3. The chicken taxes roll. 25% tariff. Importing Scania trucks triggers a 60-year-old tax meant to protect U.S. brands like Freightliner. Police seize non-compliant units at ports. Corporate lobbying. Truck unions pressure police to block foreign threats to American jobs. 4. Cab over crisis. Why drivers hated U.S. Long-haul culture. American drivers spend weeks on highways and prefer long-nosed trucks, e.g., Kenworth W900, for comfort. Crash safety. Scania's cab over design fails U.S. frontal crash tests, prompting police to flag them as unsafe. 5. The secret Scania smuggling ring. Black market. Some fleets illegally import Scanias via Mexico, leading to police raids. Driver testimonials. I drove a Scania for 3 months, until state troopers crushed it. Anonymous trucker. The Scania S730 isn't just banned, it's buried under politics, protectionism, and police power. Drop a comment. Should the U.S. embrace Scania? Don't forget to subscribe.